How to redeem a Spotify gift card. In this video, I will guide you on how to redeem a Spotify gift card. For this, launch open the Spotify app on your device and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have the app, you can open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for spotify.com/redeem. On the website as well, you can log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on this box. Now, you need to enter your premium code over here. So go ahead and enter the PIN on the back of your gift card or enter the premium code from your in-store receipt. After that, tap the box that says I'm not a robot. Now tap on the continue option. If the code you've entered is valid, you should see a success message and your account balance will be updated immediately. If you're already on a premium plan, the gift card value will extend your subscription by corresponding numbers of months. If you're on free, redeeming will prompt you to start a premium trial using gift card balance. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.